Travel Report is brought to you by TravelHost.com. And when Santa isn't delivering presents, he needs a spot to kick his feet up. And since it's his busy season, the elves are renting out Santa's cabin.
But one catch, they're putting you to work. On AirBnB, guests can stay at Santa's post office cabin in Finland. Every year, the cabin sees 30,000 letters for Santa. This year, free of charge for a stay, they're asking for help lending a hand with the letters. The stay comes with a crash course in elfing, snowmobiling, and a traditional Finnish sauna. Bookings for the stay are now open. Head over to Airbnb.com. But you don't need to go to Finland to make it a snowy holiday season. This time of year is perfect to spend at a ski resort. Many of them in the States offering all-inclusive packages, so you can eat, drink, stay, and ski all in one place. Like Triple Creek Ranch in Montana, where in addition to your traditional winter activities, guests can add on experiences like dog sledding or helicopter rides. Or the Vista Verde Guest Ranch in Colorado, which prides itself on Western hospitality, attentive staff, and breathtaking views. The ranch also has a deal with local ski resorts, so all guests ski for free. From the snow to the trails, in 2024, the National Park Service is asking people to visit, now pointing to which day all of the country's national parks will be free. Although less than a quarter of the parks have entrance fees, the ones that do charge up to $20 per person, or around $35 per car. The National Park Service announces they'll be free to the public for 6 different holidays, like Martin Luther King Day and Veterans Day. This year, they're also adding in Juneteenth to that list. Fees for camping, fishing, or parks that have partnerships with outside businesses will still be in place. Check out nps.gov to search by park. Speaking of parks, a new amusement park is coming to Los Angeles. It's inspired by the 1970s avant-garde amusement park in Hamburg, Germany, called Luna Luna, with art from people like Keith Haring and Salvador Dali, creating larger-than-life amusement attractions. The 1970s park was supposed to travel to LA for its American premiere, but was put on hold and the attractions were loaded into storage. Now, more than 40 years later, those same rides and attractions are making their way out of storage and finally to LA, with a little help from rapper and actor Drake. Even though this amusement park will be more of an art exhibit than a place to catch a ride, organizers say it will feel exactly like a vintage circus.
Luna Luna opens its doors this month and will run through spring of 2024. That's a look at the Travel Report brought to you by TravelHost.com. For NEWSnet, I'm Madison Schlegel.